Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about all things security. I'm your host, John Doe, and today our topic is all about preventing bullying. Bullying is a widespread problem that can have serious consequences for those involved. But there are things we can do to prevent it and help those who are being bullied. Part 1. Understanding bullying. Bullying by definition is any unwanted aggressive behavior by another youth or group of youths that involves an observed or perceived power imbalance and is repeated multiple times or is highly likely to be repeated. Common types of bullying include physical, verbal, relational, social, damage to property of the victim, and electronic bullying or cyberbullying. Part 2. Preventing bullying. Parents, school staff, and other caring adults have a role to play in preventing bullying. Help kids understand what bullying is and how to stand up to it safely. Make sure they know how to get help. Keep the lines of communication open. Check in with kids often and listen to them. Encourage kids to do what they love. Special activities, interests, and hobbies can boost confidence and help protect them from bullying behavior. Model how to treat others with kindness and respect. Part 3. What to do if someone is being bullied. Encourage kids to speak to a trusted adult if they are bullied or see others being bullied. The adult can give comfort, support, and advice. Encourage the child to report bullying if it happens. Talk about how to stand up to kids who bully. Give tips like using humor and saying, "Stop," directly and confidently. Talk about what to do if those actions don't work, like walking away. Urge them to help kids who are bullied by showing kindness or getting help. Bullying is a serious issue that affects many people. But by working together and taking action, we can prevent it and support those who are being bullied. Remember to always treat others with kindness and respect, and don't be afraid to speak up if you see someone being bullied. Together, we can create a safer and more inclusive community for everyone. I hope that you like what you saw, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more security tips and tricks.